Hi everyone, I'm David Gaucher, Product Manager for PCS. We've just released PCS 2.6, which sets the foundation for critical upgrades to your 2026 compliance strategy. This combined upgrade with FDC 2.3 coming soon focuses on three key benefits. First, unquestionable data integrity. We've introduced verifiable data features like waveform image capture and improved survey metadata tracking, all to give you an insurance policy that proves your measurements were captured accurately. Second, operational efficiency. We've aligned PCS and FDC with real-world field workflows that save time by merging open maintenance and annual periodic surveys into one survey package. And we now allow on-off pair user-defined fields to be created for any CPDM facility type, including tanks. Finally, we're bringing compliance to the edge. FDC 2.3 is going to bring real-time validation of test point protection criteria to the field, giving your crews instant feedback on compliance and eliminating costly return trips. PCS 2.6 provides all the information to do the calculation automatically. Take advantage of the off-survey season to upgrade to PCS 2.6 and prep for FDC 2.3 release and survey season. Contact our support team today to get your upgrade rolling.